In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video slider in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the section labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open up your themes area where you'll see a list of all the themes installed on your store. At the very top, you'll see your current live theme. Next to that theme, click the option that lets you edit the theme, which will open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your store on the right and a panel on the left that lists all of the sections on your current page. In that left panel, look for the option to add a section under the template you're editing. Click Add Section. A pop-up panel will appear with a list of different section types you can add. From this list, choose Slideshow. Once it's added, you can drag and drop this new slideshow section in the left panel to rearrange it, placing it wherever you want it to appear on the page. Now, let's set up the slides. Next to the slideshow section name, click the small right-pointing arrow. This will expand the section and reveal the blocks inside it, as well as an Add Block button. By default, the slideshow usually comes with 2 slides already created. If you want more slides for additional videos, click Add Block under the slideshow and choose Slide. Repeat this process until you have the number of slides you need. To turn a slide into a video slide, click on one of the slide blocks, then click the Add Block button within that slide and choose Video from the options. Select the new video block to open its editing and styling settings. Click the Select button next to the video field. A pop-up will open where you can choose which video to add from your library or uploads. Select your video, then click Done at the bottom right. From here, you can adjust settings like autoplay, loop, size, borders, and padding. Scroll through all the options and style the video to match your store. When you're ready to set up the next slide, click the back icon at the top left of the panel to go back to the slideshow blocks. Click Add Block again under the slideshow, choose Video, and then repeat the same process. Open the block, select your video, and adjust the settings. Do this for each slide you want in your video slider so every slide has its own video. Once all your videos are added, look at the live preview on the right side of the editor. Use the arrows on the sides of the slider to move between slides and make sure each video is loading and playing the way you expect. This is a great time to double check autoplay, looping, and layout on both desktop and mobile previews. If everything looks good and your video slider is working the way you want, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This will publish your changes to your live store, and that's it. You've successfully added a video slider to your Shopify theme.